This yoga practice is designed to alleviate tiredness, rejuvenate your energy, and restore a sense of balance. It will guide you through progressive relaxation, breath awareness, and visualization to help you release fatigue and recharge both physically and mentally. Find a quiet, comfortable place where you can lie down undisturbed. Use a yoga mat, blanket, or bed. Lie on your back in Savasana with your legs slightly apart, arms by your sides, palms facing upwards. Close your eyes gently and take a few deep breaths, allowing your body to settle. Now feel the warmth in your body and look if everything feels good to you. If you are ready, try to relax your right leg, left leg, right arm, left arm, face muscles, belly, and back of your body. Do everything to feel comfortable and safe. Feel the air that surrounds you. Is the air warm or cold? Feel the tensions in your body, arms, legs, face, back, and belly. Now take a deep breath in and let go all the tensions when you exhale through the mouth. Bring your awareness to your heartbeats. Feel them in your wrist, throat, back of your head, chest, belly, and legs. Are the heartbeats strong or weak? Fast or slow? Focus on your heartbeats and count them in your mind. Now bring your attention outside your room and hear all the sounds, closer ones, distant ones, louder ones, and quieter ones. Don't analyze, just listen. Now bring your attention to the room where you're in. Try to hear all the sounds, closer sounds, distant sounds, louder ones, and quieter ones. Don't analyze, just listen. Now let's take together a big inhale through the nose and exhale throughout your mouth. Inhale in, exhale out. Inhale in, Exhale out. Decide to stay focused and try to stay awake. Focus on my voice and let me guide you. Don't analyze, just follow my voice and directions. Say in your mind, I am going to practice Yoga Nidra. I am going to practice Yoga Nidra. I am going to practice Yoga Nidra. Next we do Sankapa to help you get over your tiredness. I give you two choices and you pick one. I am rejuvenated and full of energy. I release all tiredness and embrace vitality. Now choose one and I repeat these sankalpas. I am rejuvenated and full of energy. I release all tiredness and embrace vitality. Silently repeat in your mind your sankalpa 3 times with full awareness and conviction. Now guide your awareness through a gentle body scan, moving from one part of the body to the next, releasing tension as you go. Mentally repeat the name of each body part and imagine it becoming warm, heavy, and deeply relaxed. Let's begin with the right side. Thumb, fingers, palm, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, right side of the chest, right waist, hip, thigh, knee, calf, ankle, heel, sole, and toes. Now go with your left side. Thumb, fingers, palm, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, left side of the chest, left waist, hip, thigh, knee, calf, ankle, heel, sole, and toes, lower back, middle back, upper back, spine, shoulder blades, abdomen, chest, rib cage, collarbones, throat, neck, jaw, lips, cheeks, nose, eyes, forehead, scalp. As you scan each part, imagine it relaxing completely, releasing all tension and feeling heavy and warm. Bring your awareness to the following points in the body, one at a time. Space between the eyebrows, throat center, right shoulder, right elbow, right wrist, right thumb, right index finger, right middle finger, right ring finger, right little finger, right wrist, right elbow, right shoulder, throat center, left shoulder, left elbow, left wrist, left thumb, left index finger, left middle finger, left ring finger, left little finger, left wrist, left elbow, left shoulder, throat center, heart center, right chest, heart center, left chest, heart center, navel center, right hip, right knee, right ankle, right big toe, right second toe, right third toe, right fourth toe, right little toe, right ankle, right knee, right hip, navel center, left hip, left knee, left ankle, left big toe, left second toe, left third toe, left fourth toe, left little toe, left ankle, left knee, left hip, navel center, heart center, throat center, space between the eyebrows, crown of the head, space above the head. As you move through these points, visualize them glowing with warm golden light, radiating energy and relaxation throughout your body. bring your awareness to your breath. Simply observe the natural rhythm of your breathing without trying to control it. Feel the cool air entering your nostrils and the warm air leaving. With each exhale, mentally say the word release, and with each inhale, say revive. As you do this, imagine that you are exhaling all the tiredness, tension, and fatigue, and inhaling fresh, revitalizing energy. Continue this for several breaths, allowing your body and mind to relax deeply with each cycle. Imagine that with each inhale, you are drawing in life force energy from the air around you. This energy enters through your nostrils and flows throughout your body, nourishing and revitalizing every part of you. With each exhale, release any remaining tiredness or fatigue, letting it leave your body completely. Continue this for several breaths, feeling your body and mind becoming clearer, lighter, and more energized. Next, we do visualization practice. Try to stay awake and focused. Follow my voice and my directions. Begin by visualizing yourself standing barefoot on soft, warm earth. Feel the connection between your feet and the ground as if roots are gently extending from your soles into the earth, grounding you and providing stability. Imagine these roots drawing up the earth's nourishing energy, filling your body with a warm, comforting sensation. This energy travels up through your legs, into your torso, and spreads throughout your entire body, grounding you and centering your awareness. In your mind's eye, see yourself walking along a gentle path through a lush green forest. The air is fresh and fragrant with the scent of pine and wildflowers. Sunlight filters through the trees, casting dappled shadows on the path ahead. As you walk, feel the soft earth beneath your feet and listen to the sounds of nature around you. The rustling of leaves in the breeze, the distant sound of a flowing stream, and the melodic songs of birds. After a short walk, you arrive at the clearing in the forest. In the center of this clearing is a beautiful serene sanctuary, a place that feels sacred and special. This sanctuary could be a natural glade, a hidden garden, or a tranquil oasis, depending on what feels most rejuvenating to you. Take a moment to appreciate the beauty of this place. Notice the vibrant colors of the flowers, the rich greenery of the trees, and the calming presence of nature all around you. In the center of the sanctuary, you see a large, ancient tree with a wide, welcoming trunk and branches that spread out like a protective canopy. This tree radiates a powerful, nurturing energy. Walk up to the tree and place your hands on its trunk. Feel the rough texture of the bark under your fingers and sense the vibrant life force pulsing within the tree. Imagine this life force as a cold and glowing energy. As you stand there, this energy begins to flow from the tree into your hands, traveling up your arms and into your body. Feel this golden light spreading through you, filling you with warmth, strength, and vitality. Allow this energy to flow freely, reaching every part of your being. It revitalizes your cells, clears your mind, and lifts your spirit. With each breath, you draw in more of this rejuvenating energy, feeling it infuse your entire body. Nearby, you notice a crystal clear pool of water surrounded by smooth stones and vibrant plants. The water is still, reflecting the sky above like a perfect mirror. This pool is filled with healing, restorative properties. Walk towards the pool and dip your toes into the water. It's pleasantly cool and invigorating. Step fully in the pool, allowing the water to rise up your knees, then your waist, and finally your chest as you immerse yourself completely. As you sink into the water, feel its soothing embrace. The water supports your body and you float effortlessly. Imagine that with each breath, the water is drawing out any tension, fatigue, or negativity from your body, dissolving it completely. Visualize the water as a radiant blue light glowing softly around you. This light penetrates your skin, reaching deep into your muscles, bones, and organs, purifying and rejuvenating every part of you. As you float in this healing pool, feel yourself becoming lighter and more energized. The water seems to wash away all weariness, leaving you refreshed and revitalized. As you continue to float in the pool, imagine that a gentle warm rain begins to fall from the sky. Each raindrop is filled with pure, revitalizing energy. The rain lightly touches your skin, filling you with a sense of peace and renewal. Feel the warmth of the sun breaking through the clouds, its rays shining down on you. The sunlight is golden and soothing, infusing your body with its feeling light. The combination of the gentle rain and the warm sunlight is perfectly balanced, creating a nurturing, rejuvenating atmosphere. Visualize the sunlight and rain blending together, forming a shimmering aura around you. This aura radiates energy and vitality, strengthening your connection to the natural world and renewing your inner strength. Now bring your attention to the elements around you. Feel the earth beneath you, solid and supportive. Imagine drawing its stability and strength into your body. Feel the air around you, cool and refreshing. Breathe deeply, inhaling the clarity and lightness of the air, and feel it clearing your mind and filling your lungs with fresh energy. Connect with the water of the pool, fluid and adaptable. Imagine its flowing energy moving through you, washing away any remaining fatigue or stress. Finally, feel the warmth of the fire from the sun above, energizing and uplifting. Let this warmth fill your heart with a renewed sense of purpose and passion. Allow these elements to work together, harmonizing within you, balancing and revitalizing your entire being. As you sit in this sanctuary, bathed in the energy of nature, take a moment to absorb all the rejuvenating forces around you. Feel how your body has become lighter, your mind clearer, and your spirit brighter. Imagine that this energy is now stored deep within you, ready to be accessed whenever you need it. Now, know that you can return to sanctuary at any time to recharge and reconnect with this powerful source of rejuvenation. When you feel ready, slowly begin to leave the sanctuary. Walk back along the forest path, feeling the soft earth beneath your feet and the gentle breeze on your skin. As you walk, carry with you the energy and peace you have gathered. Know that this feeling of rejuvenation will stay with you, supporting you throughout your day. Next, we remind our Sankapa. I say these Sankapas 2 times, and then you repeat your chosen Sankapa 3 times in your mind. I am rejuvenated and full of energy. I release all tiredness and embrace vitality. Now choose one and I repeat these Sankapas. I am rejuvenated and full of energy. I release all tiredness and embrace vitality. Repeat your Sankapa in your mind 3 times with full awareness and conviction. Begin to bring your awareness back to your physical body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently move your limbs and stretch your body in any way that feels good. Take a few deep breaths, feeling the energy you have cultivated during this practice flowing through you. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes, bringing yourself back to full wakefulness, feeling refreshed, alert, and ready to continue your day. This Yoga Nidra practice can help alleviate tiredness and restore your energy levels, leaving you feeling more balanced and revitalized. It can be used at any time of the day when you need to recharge. Namaste.